Beach or St. John's, or not St. John's, John's Pass. Okay, so we're going to Madeira Beach. We have the girls in the back. Steven is here with us too, so we will see you guys there. We're probably gonna stop by Publix or some kind of grocery store before we get there to get some drinks and snacks and food and stuff like that. So we'll see you guys when we get there to the grocery store or to the beach. See you guys later. Alright guys, we're at Publix, so we got all the stuff that we're gonna eat and drink. We got some chicken, water, chips.
And we're going to the beach.
Yep. We're about to pay now, and then we're gonna head out to the beach.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Wanna say hi?
Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Let me see, what is it? Oh wow. Girl.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
so good, guys. Order yourself up some food. So yummy.
Alright guys, so I am going to end today's video here. So the last thing we ended up going to do is we went to Caddy's to eat. I ended up getting like a seafood mac and cheese that had, oh my goodness, and lady with her bone. I had crab and shrimp in there. It was not that good. Steven had fish tacos. It was not that good. The girls didn't like their seafood chowder. We had 2 drinks, and just for one drink was $18.25. So it was insane. And I think pretty much when you go to places like that are by the beach, you're pretty much paying like for the environment, because the food every time we have went, it's not that great. But yeah, I got a little burnt on my face. Gisela is burnt all over. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if you guys can really tell.
It hurts.
On the camera, but
hurts.
yeah.
It hurts.
She is burnt. She's worse than me because she didn't put on sunscreen after I kept telling her to put on sunscreen. But yeah, and then I have
Your
something.
camera's dirty, as usual. Let me clean you guys, because she doesn't clean you. Oh, that's better.
Oh, okay, thanks. But yeah, and I have something wrong with my hand, like my 2 knuckles, this one and this one, and even on this side. Like it's, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's swollen and it hurts so much. I think it's arthritis. But yeah, I've been in pain all day, and throughout the day it's just been getting worse and worse. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to end up going to the doctor soon and finding out what, you know, what it is, what's going on. I was talking to one of my friends today, and she's like, oh, it could be carpal tunnel. And I was like, that's true, it could be that too. But the symptoms that I have, it leads more towards arthritis. So I don't know, I need to go to the doctor's though, because it hurts so much. I've been in so much pain, and throughout the day it's just been getting worse. But yeah, so we had a good day today. I hope that
it hurts. Like when I get itches.
wait for tomorrow.
Why does it itch?
But wait for tomorrow.
It itches, and like when I scratch it, like it hurts.
We got aloe there. You're gonna have to put some on.
I'm gonna have to put it on everywhere, because it's like literally my whole body.
I told you to put on sunscreen. She didn't listen to me.
I didn't think I was gonna get this bad, because before I used to never get burnt, like ever.
Never. Not even. She used to never put sunscreen on, and she never got burnt.
And now, for some reason, I want to get burnt all the time.
Yep.
This is the worst. I've never gotten burnt before. Like I got burnt like a little bit.
Only
like,
on your face, like her cheeks and her nose would get a little burnt. But that was it. And she would spend all day in the sun at the beach and never got burnt. And now for some reason, her body's like, well, time for you to start getting burnt now. Maybe it's because we haven't really been to the beach for like a couple years.
Maybe it's because I'm not as dark as I used to be.
Yeah, and you're maybe because you're getting older too. I don't know. Could be a lot of different things.
But I'm gonna put aloe on it before it gets worse. So I'm putting aloe on before I go to bed.
Yeah. But we had a good day today. Other than the food not being that great, it was a great day at the beach. The weather was beautiful. The water was a little cold, but then once you got in, you were in there for a little while, kind of warmed up. So it was a beautiful day at the beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.